Welcome back to the Elements of Design series. If you've watched part 1 of texture, you already understand the basics. In this video, part 2, we're focusing on real styling application, so let's continue. We'll talk about mixing textures, using texture for photography, choosing textures by season and trends, making outfits look expensive, and avoiding common texture mistakes. So let's continue and complete the 4th element of design, texture.
Mixing textures and styling. Mixing textures means combining 2 or more different fabric textures in a single outfit. It instantly makes an outfit look more interesting, professional, and polished. An outfit made from only one texture can feel flat or boring. Mixing textures adds depth, dimension, and personality to your styling. Popular texture combinations. Silk and leather. Silk brings softness and elegance, while leather adds strength and structure. Together, they create a look that is feminine yet bold. This combination works perfectly for party wear, evening outfits, or statement styling. Denim and lace. Denim gives a relaxed, casual feel, while lace adds charm and delicacy. Together, they create a look that is youthful yet feminine. This combination is ideal for casual outings or trendy day looks. Wool and satin. Wool provides structure and warmth, while satin adds shine and glamour. Together, they create a look that is cozy yet glamorous. This combination works well for winter styling, festive, or formal outfits. Cotton and organza. Cotton gives a clean, simple base, while organza adds soft, airy layers. Together, they create a look that is effortless yet elegant. This combination is perfect for daytime events, layered outfits, or subtle elegance. Styling tips for texture mixing. Always pair one soft or smooth texture with one heavy, shiny, or rough texture. Avoid mixing more than 2 or 3 textures in one outfit. Place heavier or attention-grabbing textures strategically to highlight or balance body areas. For daytime looks, stick to soft and matte textures. For night or party looks, go for shiny, bold, or heavier textures. Texture and fashion photography. Textures behave differently on camera than they do in real life. Even if a fabric looks simple in person, its texture can completely change how it appears in photos or videos. Professional stylists always consider texture while planning a photo shoot, because it affects the mood, depth, and focus of the outfit. How different textures look on camera. Shiny textures. Shiny fabrics reflect light, which can make the area look bigger. They add glamour and drama to any shot. Perfect for evening wear, party outfits, or fashion editorials. Examples include sequins, satin, and metallic fabrics under studio lights. Matte textures. Matte fabrics absorb light, giving an outfit an elegant and soft look. They have a natural slimming effect and appear clean on camera. Perfect for office wear, minimal fashion, and classic photo shoots. Examples include cotton, linen, and matte wool. Rough textures. Rough fabrics show more detail and texture, adding depth and richness to the image. They work well for winter wear, structured outfits, and editorial fashion photography. Examples include tweed, denim, jute, and corduroy. Transparent or sheer textures. Sheer fabrics look light, dreamy, and delicate on camera. They create soft layers and movement in photos. Perfect for romantic, festive, or airy looks. Examples include chiffon, organza, georgette, and net. Stylist tips for photography. Lighting matters. Shiny fabrics reflect light strongly. Avoid harsh light if the shine is too much. Theme matters. Use bold textures for edgy shoots and soft textures for romantic or dreamy shots. Mixing textures for photos. Combine shiny with matte or soft with rough to add depth and interest. Placement. Use textures strategically to highlight features or create body illusions like slimming or volume adding. Texture by season. Different seasons need different textures. Wearing the right texture according to the season keeps the outfit comfortable, stylish, and appropriate. Stylists always select textures based on weather, comfort, and visual balance. The wrong texture in the wrong season can make an outfit look uncomfortable and poorly styled. Summer textures. In summer, light and breathable textures are best. These fabrics allow air to pass through and keep the body cool. Summer textures feel soft, airy, and fresh. They do not add heaviness and help the outfit look relaxed and effortless. Common summer textures include cotton, linen, chiffon, georgette, and lightweight jersey. These textures are ideal for daily wear, vacations, daytime events, and hot climates. Winter textures. In winter, thick and warm textures are required. These fabrics trap heat and protect the body from cold weather. Winter textures look rich, cozy, and structured. They add volume and depth, making outfits look strong and luxurious. Common winter textures include wool, velvet, fur, tweed, corduroy, heavy knits, and denim. These textures are perfect for coats, jackets, sweaters, and layered styling. Monsoon transitional season textures. During monsoon or changing seasons, fabrics should be practical and easy to manage. Textures that dry quickly and do not cling too much to the body work best. Lightweight synthetics, blends, and wrinkle-resistant fabrics are preferred. Common textures include polyester blends, nylon, light denim, and rayon. Texture and trend forecasting. Trend forecasting means predicting what will be popular in fashion in upcoming seasons. Texture plays a very important role in trend forecasting because trends are not only about color or silhouette, they are also about how fabrics look and feel. Fashion designers and stylists carefully study textures to understand what kind of mood, lifestyle, and emotions people want in the future. How texture becomes a trend. Textures become trends based on lifestyle changes, weather and climate, technology and fabric innovation, social mood and culture, fashion shows and runways. For example, during uncertain times, people prefer soft, comfortable textures. During celebratory periods, shiny and rich textures become popular. Seasonal texture trends. Each season introduces new or refreshed textures. Winter trends often include rich and warm textures like velvet, faux fur, leather, and heavy knits. These textures create a cozy, strong, and luxurious feeling. Summer trends focus on light and breathable textures like crochet, lace, mesh, chiffon, and linen. These textures feel airy, relaxed, and youthful. Texture trends by fashion category. Different fashion categories highlight different textures. Streetwear. Denim, nylon, jersey, technical fabrics. Luxury fashion. Silk, velvet, satin, leather. Bridal wear. Satin, silk, organza, heavy embroidery. Activewear. Stretch fabrics, smooth synthetics. Stylists study these textures to stay updated and relevant. Runways and trend boards. Fashion weeks, runway shows, and trend boards are major sources of texture trends. Stylists observe how designers mix textures and how fabrics behave on models and under lights. Trend boards often show fabric swatches to communicate the upcoming texture direction. Why stylists must follow texture trends. Understanding texture trends helps stylists create modern and fresh looks. Avoid outdated styling. Style clients according to current fashion. Plan content, photo shoots, and collections. Texture and price perception. Price perception means how expensive or affordable an outfit looks, not how much it actually costs. Texture plays a major role in deciding whether an outfit looks luxurious, premium, simple, or casual. A well-chosen texture can make a low-budget outfit look expensive. At the same time, the wrong texture can make a costly outfit look cheap. That is why professional stylists always think about texture before price. Textures that look expensive. Some textures naturally give a rich and premium appearance because of how they reflect or absorb light and how they fall on the body. Smooth and refined textures create a polished look. Heavy and rich textures add depth and luxury. Matte textures with good quality finishing look elegant and timeless. Examples of expensive-looking textures include satin, velvet, silk blends, matte crepe, wool, and well-finished leather. These textures are often used in luxury fashion and formal styling. Textures that look casual or affordable. Some textures look simple and relaxed even if they are high quality. They give a natural and everyday appearance. Cotton and linen often look casual because they are breathable and matte. Denim looks relaxed and youthful. Light jerseys and basic knits also give a comfortable, informal feel. These textures are perfect for daily wear, but may not look luxurious unless styled carefully. How stylists create luxury on a budget. Stylists use texture smartly to make outfits look expensive without spending much. They choose matte or smooth textures instead of overly shiny cheap fabrics. Avoid low-quality sequins or plastic shine. Focus on fabric fall and finish. Mix rich textures with simple ones for balance. For example, pairing a satin skirt with a simple cotton shirt can instantly elevate the look. Texture versus fabric quality. Not all shiny fabrics look expensive. Cheap shine often looks harsh and artificial, while good quality shine looks soft and refined. Similarly, a well-finished matte fabric can look more luxurious than a poorly made shiny one. Common texture mistakes. Even the best outfits can look off if textures are used incorrectly. Many people focus only on color and design, but ignore texture. And that often leads to styling mistakes. A professional stylist knows not just what to wear, but also what to avoid. 1. Wearing too many shiny textures together. Using multiple shiny fabrics in one outfit can look loud and overpowering. Instead of glamorous, it may feel cheap or uncomfortable to the eye. Shiny textures should always be balanced with matte or soft textures. 2. Using heavy textures all over the body. Heavy textures like wool, fur, velvet, or embroidery add volume. When worn from head to toe, they can make the body look bulky and heavy. It's better to use heavy textures on one area and keep the rest simple. 3. Ignoring body shape while choosing texture. Not all textures suit every body area. Shiny and thick textures highlight body parts. Matte and smooth textures hide them. Wearing the wrong texture on the wrong area can disturb body balance. 4. Mixing textures that clash. Some textures simply don't work well together. For example, mixing too many heavy or statement textures can make an outfit look confused. Always mix textures with purpose and balance. 5. Wearing rough or heavy textures in hot weather. Textures like wool, velvet, or heavy denim feel uncomfortable in summer. They make the outfit seasonally wrong and impractical. Texture should always match the weather. 6. Using cheap sequins or plastic shine and date. Low-quality shiny fabrics look harsh in natural light. They work better for night or stage lighting. For daytime looks, matte and soft textures are safer and more elegant. 7. Ignoring fabric finish and quality. A fabric may look good from a distance but cheap up close. Rough finishing, poor stitching, or bad shine can ruin the entire look. Stylists always check texture quality before final styling. Final stylist advice. Good styling is not about more, it's about better choices. Understanding texture helps you avoid mistakes and create polished, professional looks.
And that completes texture, the fourth element of design. Next, in our Elements of Design series, we'll explore the fifth element, space. How placement, gaps, and balance in styling can completely change the look of an outfit. If you're enjoying this series, like, subscribe, and share it with anyone interested in fashion and styling.